Hey, my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope fine. Happy weekend to you guys. So, today we are doing something simple but super cute, an African threading hairstyle. This one is beginner friendly, neat, and perfect for kids or even adults who love protective hairstyle. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can style this easy hairstyle and what you need to start this hairstyle. Is very easy. So if you love simple hairstyle, this video is for you. My child that will be styling her hair today, her name is Victoria, and I'm going to be using one of these pack hairstyle. I was kind of contemplating if I should use pure black or the colored, but I later settled for the colored one. And this is what I normally do whenever I wash their hair. A day before I make their hair, I will just moisturize it and weave it. The next day, when I lose it, I just apply a little moisturizer just this way, just to make the hair soft and okay. So we want to always moisturize our hair. If you have been following this my channel, you will know moisturizing hair is a thing that we normally do, and after we moisturize it, I just comb it to detangle to make sure the hair is there is nothing inside. And I'm basically going to spray it. I always say, whenever you want to make hair, always don't forget to moisturize and also don't forget to spray it. So this is what I did right now with this hair, and this is the hair control I'm going to be using. You can use your choice, the one you like to use, but this is what I always use for now, and it's working well for me. So after I moisturize it, I spray it and I comb it with wide comb, and I section the hair first part just from side to down to the other side. And after I done with this part, and I'm going to also section the hair into two, because back we are going to make this back here right now, just like so. We are going to line it into two. So after I line it, I will use black rubber band to hold it. In this hairstyle, we need black rubber band, we need hair band, like to hold it, hair clip, anything like you can use that is okay for you. So this is a very simple hairstyle that I just want to create for Victoria. And after I section the back just like so, then I'm going to also line this place down. I'm going to also, after I finish lining it, I will clear the part as usual with edge control that I'm using right now. You do what is best for you, like use the product that you feel okay using. So after this, I'm going to section this part right now into three. Then when I finish with this one, I'm still going to do the other side. It's going to be into three, which is the middle into three. I'm going to make 2 times in the middle and the front into 2, just like the back. What you will need for today's magic, your thread. For me, I am using Brazilian wool today, and I use and you need comb. You need sectioning comb and wide mat comb to comb the hair, to detangle the hair, and also hair brush. You need hair cream or leave-in conditioner, the one that works for you. For me, I always use hair conditioner. I use hair cream also. I use hair oil also. Okay. And another thing, of course, you need sectioning comb. And if you don't have like the one I'm using, anyone that works best for you, you can go ahead and use it, as long as it's okay for you. And another thing is, don't start your hair without moisturize it. I just want to repeat it again, and because you don't have to make your hair dry, because moisturizing hair makes your hair makes the threading look smooth and keeps the hair also healthy. Moisturize and spray it is very important for our hair. Just like when you plant a flower, you will want to spray it for the flower, for the flower to grow beautiful. So that is it, guys. So this thing is, you see the way I section it now, for the first step 2, the middle 3, and the other side also 3. Then this is the front. I'm also going to be sectioning it into 2, just like the back. So this is very easy. So if you count all the hair, 6 in the middle, 2 front, 2 back, everything will be like, let's say 10. Yeah, everything is 10. So you can make yours a little bit tinier, is optional. So the reason I make this way is because I'm going to be using afro kicking, and I don't want it to be too full. So that is why I just make it very big, like I section it very big. So if as an adult, if you're an adult, you want to make this style on your hair, I would recommend you make it a bit tinier so that to be full. You know, as an adult, you need to carry a bit fuller hair than kids. So this is I what I did. I just first of all just what do I say? Put all the hair, arrange them so that to be easier for me to be taking. And yeah, only what Victoria gave me is when I was just packing the hair, she was giving me rubber band. So doing this, I just had to be taking it there myself. So what I did first, after I packed the hair with rubber band, after I section it, I comb it where I detangled the hair. After I did everything, so I just use the kicking coil to kind of weave it first. I did remove the rubber band. Okay, you can do what is good for you, do you. I did remove the rubber band. I weave it along with the rubber band. And after I weave it to a certain stage, I started using the Brazilian wool to thread it. So I tried to some extent, almost to the end. Then I reduced the quantity I have been using before to thread it. I reduced it to I use 4 strands of wool for the beginning. So when I get almost to the end, I reduce it to to 2 strands. So the one I used to like finish the hair is 1 strand of wool. So what I did here, I measured it to make sure I will be able to pack all of them. So when I saw that it was not long enough the way I wanted, then I continued to thread the hair. So and the kiki cord that I used, I didn't cut it. I just only removed the thread I used to tie it, and that's how I do it. Because if I cut it, the hair, the size would be almost the same thing with our natural hair, and I might not be able to pack it. So I recommend when you are doing it, it is better when it's a little bit longer. You can now trim it to the size that you want than to make it a bit shorter and you won't be able to get the style that you want to do. So this is how I just continue to style this hair. So thank you. If this is the first time I'm coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. And if you like this hairstyle, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all. And I also ask you guys to help me to share this video to your fellow mom, to anybody that you know that will be interested to also like looking for easy hairstyle like this. And I appreciate you all for your support. So the way you do this threading very well, because I remember someone chat me up on my TikTok page when I uploaded this video there, and she said whenever she try to do this threading for a child, the hair always loose. Sometimes before she will finish the hair is already losing. So one thing you should do is don't use much strands of wool to thread your hair. Okay, don't use much strands. If you use much strands of wool, it make the hair make you thread it very fast, it finish on time, but the hair will not last. So the maximum that I use is 4. I can even use 3, I can use 2, but I don't use more than 4. And another thing is, when you are taking the hair from the down, what you do, just take your thread, wrap it as if you are just wrapping it. Okay, when you're looking at the hair, sometimes you miss it, like they are seeing the hair, the hair you are trying to cover. Feel free to take it back again, continue to return the thread, you know, continue to return how do I say it, return the thread back to the where it's open. For example, I'm threading it right now. See the way I'm doing it. So for example, you thread it and you see that one part is kind of open. Take that thread back, go and do it back again. You know, don't be in a hurry to just leave there like that. If not, the hair will start losing up from there. Okay, so when I go to the front, I just use hairbrush to brush it before I start threading it. So this is how I just continue to do it, just the same size, the same everything, and with the same quantity of wool that I use, which is 4 strands of wool. And so please, when you are threading, don't pull too hard so you don't end up hurting the person you are making the hair for. You see the way I'm doing it now? That is why I don't remove the rubber band, because when I pack her hair, I've already asked her if it's okay. She said it's okay, so I don't have to thread it under the rubber band too much, so I don't end up hurting her. So I just do this. When you do it, you start taking it round, just take it down once, and the second time you put it on top of the one you have done before, and just start threading it. That's all. So this is how the hair finished. Now I'm going to trim out the excess wool that is remaining. Then I'm going to be using lighter to cover, like to secure the edge where I cut out the remaining part. Then when I'm done with this, I just go ahead and pack it. I use black hairband. Is it hairband or hair packer, or how do they call that? So I just use it to cut to cover it. So this too, it was kind of almost not long enough, and I wanted to pack it more front just to make it, there's a way I wanted to pack it like one side, so the two I still kind of make it everything equal. I was kind of feeling it somehow, so I just pack it in the middle, and after that, it will definitely remain, there's will be a little pieces, so I just go ahead and trim it out to make it, like, trim it to the size that you want. You can leave yours a bit longer, you can do it a bit shorter. So I just go ahead and keep trimming it and keep cutting it. And yeah, I would have loved to use black hair, but she said she wanted this color, so which I used for her. So, and yeah, what I normally do, I always allow my kids to choose of which color they want to use, so that at the end of the hair they will like it, they will feel okay in it. Like, I always want to do something that will make them feel confident, like this is what they want and all that. So as a mom of four, I have really got to learn a lot from my children. So yeah, so sometimes you learn from your children and your children learn from you too. So after all this, after I finish the hair, I just decided to do extra. This is just optional, so I just put in some parts. I asked her, she said she wants it, so I think I used four. Yeah, four. One here, one side, one at the back, and one at the other side. So everything I used altogether was four. So this is how the style turned out to be. So my fellow mommies, how do you see this hair? Do you like it? And I want to know if you like this hair, or if you tried it before, and yeah, if you're going to give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much. And after everything, I sprayed the hair, and voila, everything come out perfectly. Like, I'm really proud. I like it. I like this hairstyle. I like the color. Everything just like follow her face, the color, the way the hair is, and the way I pack the hair, the length of the hair, everything just goes so perfect. For a child, I love it. Like, I really love the coils and everything. So I want to know what you think, my amazing mommy, about this hairstyle, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, like and share. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your support. And yeah, my name is Susan, a mom of four. We live in Germany with my children. So I'm a mom of four girls. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.